The HiCAD solution for special machine construction, assembly-oriented working. The HiCAD solution for special machine construction allows a fast and flexible designing with its assembly-oriented working method. In addition, special view functions help to keep an overview even in large model drawings and to work much more efficiently. Existing parts or assemblies can be inserted and duplicated directly in the model drawing. The assigning to the correct assembly in the part structure can be carried out subsequently, for example, by drag and drop. The subsequent insertion of parts into already existing assemblies has no influence on any existing dependencies within this assembly. Of course, new parts and assemblies can also be created and designed within the model drawing. Some assemblies are even created automatically. In this video, you can see impressively how easy it is to design a framework for a dust cover with HiCAD. Here, too, the designer does not have to think for a second about the part structure and can concentrate fully on the design solution. Subsequently, all necessary assemblies can be flexibly created from the model drawing and sorted, for example, by drag and drop, into the correct position of the already existing part structure. Parts or assemblies can be referenced at any time, whether directly during the creation of a part or also afterwards. This provides a high degree of flexibility so that the designer is not restricted in his creativity.